Tensions rise in Umkhonto Sizwe Party as Floyd Shivambu faces internal revolt. A growing rebellion is brewing within the Umkhonto Sizwe Party, with senior figures calling for the removal of Secretary General Floyd Shivambu. Insiders claim dissatisfaction with his leadership, citing his failure to grow the party and meet expectations since joining 7 months ago. At a high level, Umkhonto Sizwe Party meeting on Monday evening, discussions centered on Shivambu's performance, with frustration mounting over his perceived incompetence. An MK insider told the IOL News that we can't move forward for 2026 with him in this position. He needs to go. Despite initially generating excitement after defecting from the EFF in August last year, Shivambu's influence appears to be waning. Critics argue he lacks the grassroots support needed to drive the party forward ahead of the crucial 2026 local government elections. Among the most vocal critics is the former President Jacob Zuma's daughter, Duduzile Zuma Sambudla, while she previously faced reprimand for publicly calling Shivambu incompetent. Sources suggest that she is now rebuilding her relationship with her father and reinforcing concerns about Shivambu's leadership. An insider said Duduzile fights everyone's battles, but what she said is what many of us believe. Even President Zuma is starting to see the problem. Adding to the controversy is the revelation that Shivambu reportedly earns around 120,000 rand per month in his MK role, sparking further frustration within the party. Some members argue his salary is unjustified given his lack of impact on the ground. Despite the internal turmoil, Umkhonto Sizwe Party leaders remain confident about their prospects in the upcoming elections. The party, which made a surprising impact in the national elections, is now focused on strengthening its grassroots presence. Another source said, "We need leaders chosen by the people, and right now, Floyd is not one of them." The party is determined to learn from the past mistakes and capitalize on its momentum to secure major victories in 2026. As tensions escalate, Shivambu's future within the Umkhonto Sizwe Party remain uncertain. Whether he will weather the storm or be ousted in favor of a more popular leader remains to be seen. One thing is clear, MK is preparing for a political battle ahead. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.